Step 1. Make sure your oil is completely cool. It can take up to a few hours to be 100% cool. Step 2. Get the container that your oil originally came in and put a large funnel in it. Step 3. Place a fine mesh straining funnel into that funnel and slowly pour the oil through it into the container. If you don't have a fine mesh strainer, you can use cheesecloth. It's important not to skip this step. You need to filter out any solid materials that have collected in the oil because it will quickly begin to grow bacteria. Step 4. Put the cap on the container and write the date on it so you don't forget when you last used it. Step 5. Store it in the refrigerator. Use your oil up to 3 times. Unless you cooked fish in it, then only use it once. Step 6. Be sure to like and subscribe for more DIY videos in the future.